got horses? This is the place you've been wanting. 34 plus acres with an incredible barn for horses. The rolling acreage is fenced and cross-fenced. Pastures plus hay field. The barn is a horse lover's dream with 12 stalls, vet area, wash rack with drain, feed room, tack room, and an office with half bath plus washer-dryer hookups. Whether you're a recreational rider or running a commercial operation, this property has lots to offer. There is a small mobile on the property that would make a great weekend place.